So, I've been watching a lot of Facebook videos lately, learning how to paint new things and so forth. But I've also been learning like new tricks about Photoshop that I never knew before. And one of the things that I'm going to show you today is a really handy trick because everybody has run into where their image has been scaled up and it has pixelated something. So what you're looking at on my screen is just a crescent moon that I made, and I purposely pixelated it for the sake of this tutorial. So you can fix this really easy and really nicely. All you have to do is you go to Filter, oops, Gaussian Blur, and crank that bitch up to 45. That's where I have it. I mean, you can go higher or lower depending on, I mean, I'm not sure like if, lower would be, give you a different, sort of like, let's go to 20 instead because this looks like more well formed. So you're just going to blur it out like that. And then you're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Levels. You're going to take this first arrow here and you're going to pull it toward the middle. And you're going to take this second arrow here and pull it toward the middle. And you can like pull it as sharp as you want it to be. And look at that. Isn't that freaking cool? Where has that been my whole life? My whole artist life. You know how many times that I have had like sat here and like cleaned edges because, it was all pixelated or nasty looking. And that was, at my disposal the whole time and I never knew. So you can like, you see this is pretty good, but you can actually, experiment with like how high you crank it. Let's see what that does. And then you just go to levels and you do the same thing. I mean, you can see that it's like killed some of the sharpness. So you want to be really careful, like how much Gaussian blur you do. I think keeping it relatively low, but making sure that you're getting rid of most of the pixelation is pretty good. So let's do like 25. I think 25 is a good spot. That's not what I want. And let's go to levels. And yeah, see, that keeps the pointiness of the ends, a lot better. But I just thought that that was a really neat trick, and I thought that it would come in handy for you guys. So that's all. You may go now.